Here's some Trans-Siberian Railway trivia. Subscribe. What is the longest railway line in the world? Is it A, Union Pacific Railroad, B, Trans-Siberian Railway, C, Great Northern Railway, or D, Orient Express? The correct answer is B, Trans-Siberian Railway. Which country has the Trans-Siberian Railway? Is it A, Mongolia, B, Canada, C, Russia, or D, China? The correct answer is C, Russia. What city is the western terminus of the railway? Is it A, Moscow, B, Vladivostok, C, St. Petersburg, or D, Minsk? The correct answer is A, Moscow. What is the eastern terminus of the railway? Is it A, Beijing, B, Vladivostok, C, Seoul, or D, Moscow? The correct answer is B, Vladivostok. Which river does the railway cross in Siberia? Is it A, Amur River, B, Ob River, C, Volga River, or D, Lena River? The correct answer is A, Amur River. What natural feature does the railway pass by in Mongolia? Is it A, mountain range, B, steppe, C, forest, or D, desert? The correct answer is B, steppe. What is the name of the scenic train service on this route? Is it A, Red Horizon, B, Golden Eagle, C, Silver Falcon, or D, Blue Lion? The correct answer is B, Golden Eagle. Which historic event increased the railway's importance? Is it A, the Cold War, B, Industrial Revolution, C, the Great Depression, or D, World War II? The correct answer is D, World War II. What kind of climate does the railway traverse? Is it A, polar climate, B, tropical climate, C, desert climate, or D, continental climate? The correct answer is D, continental climate. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.